Hey gardeners, Florida Garden Gal here. So May is the perfect time to plant, and I've got 5 heat-loving vegetables that you don't want to miss. If you want a garden that grows with ease, even in our Florida heat, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Okay, number 1, okra. I call this one the resilient one. When I think of okra, I think of strength. It doesn't complain about the heat or the sandy soil. It just rises. Tall, proud, and covered in beautiful blooms. It's actually a part of the hibiscus family. That's where those beautiful blooms come from. So just drop the seeds straight into the soil, water them in, give them plenty of sunshine, and soon enough, there they are, standing tall like reminders that we too can grow through anything. So next we have sweet potatoes. I call sweet potatoes the slow and steady soul food. And if there's a vegetable that teaches patience, it's sweet potatoes. You plant these slips, and for a while, months actually, it seems like nothing's happening. But beneath the surface, something wonderful is growing. So by fall, these vines have turned into treasure. It reminds me that not all growth is visible right away. Sometimes the sweetest things in life take time. So if you can't find slips at your local nursery, I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can purchase them on Etsy. Number 3, southern peas. I call those the generous givers. So southern peas or cowpeas or black-eyed peas, and they are garden's little givers because not only will they feed your family, they'll feed the soil. They don't need much attention either, and don't we love that? They just keep doing their thing and giving. When I plant them, I feel like I'm planting a little hope. One seed turns into dozens of meals, and that's the kind of abundance I love to cultivate. So number 4, Malabar spinach, the climber. So when most leafy greens are starting to wilt from the heat, Malabar stands up and says, "Bring it on." It climbs, it thrives, and it's as beautiful as it is nourishing. It's taught me that sometimes to flourish, we need to reach upward and find a new path. It's spinach with a soul. And number 5, we have hot peppers, the fire starters. I'll admit it, I plant peppers partly just for the beautiful color. My husband's not too crazy over hot peppers, but their colors do light up the garden and their flavor brings life to every dish. Peppers teach us about energy. They're fiery, bold, and unapologetically themselves. A little like I feel when I'm digging in the dirt on a hot Florida day. That's my May planting story. These 5 vegetables, okra, sweet potatoes, southern peas, Malabar spinach, and hot peppers. They're not just food, they're lessons. They're lessons in strength, patience, generosity, creativity, and passion. Let your garden grow what your soul needs. And if you're planting something special in May, I'd love to hear your story. Share it in the comments because this journey, it's better when we grow together. So until next time, keep planting, keep dreaming, and keep growing from seed to soul. Happy gardening.